Hi, hello, and welcome to Viking Seal. This is Sandeep Tukoji. In this video, I'll be doing unboxing of the Vimoto V8 Bluetooth intercom system. So, if you are new to such devices, I just want to tell you what exactly is a Bluetooth intercom system is. So, basically, a Bluetooth communication system is a device which can act both as your Bluetooth headphone as well as an intercom which you can use to communicate with your fellow riders. So the device that I am talking about now is this one, the Vimoto V8. I actually got this device from AliExpress. So there is a seller in AliExpress called Galaxy Square One, if I'm not wrong, who actually shipped this item to me within 24 hours, because of which I got the item within 10 days. So the price of this device in AliExpress is around 3600 rupees, whereas you will get these devices in local markets as well. So there are many such devices available in the market. One of the popular intercoms available in the market is Sena, but the concern about the Sena is it costs too much. Like, say for example, if you just want a Bluetooth headset and nothing else, the Sena will cost you around 8300 rupees. So if you are looking for an alternative to Sena, then there are many Chinese intercoms available in the market. So one of the Chinese intercoms available in the market is this Vimoto. So when I compare this Vimoto with many of the other Chinese intercoms, I felt this to be a better option because of the durability and the reviews that I have seen in the internet. Vimoto comes up with three different models: Vimoto V3, V6 and V8. Vimoto V3 is for those who just want a Bluetooth headset inside their helmet and nothing else. The cost of V3 would come around 2500 rupees. Next comes V6 and V8. So both V6 and V8 work as both Bluetooth headset as well as an intercom system. So the only difference between V6 and V8 is the talk time what they give. V6 gives you 10 hours of talk time, and whereas V8 will give you 13 hours of talk time. I'll just open it for you. So this says operating instructions for helmet Bluetooth headset. And this is the intercom system. So let us see what all things are there inside this. So this is the manual. So here you can see all the instructions available, the installation methods, and how to start, how to charge, how to answer the calls, and pairing instructions. Everything is given in English. So this is the charging cable. So this is a microphone which is flexible enough. So this is for the open helmets, not for the full helmets. And this is a microphone, and this is a microphone which we can fit into the full helmets. And there are some spaces, so with velcros. So these are basically for, like, say, inside the helmet, if you feel like the speakers are too away from your ears, you can just use these as spaces so that the speakers come closer to your ears. And these are the filters that you can use it with this microphone. And there are some 3M adhesives. So these are the speakers, two speakers. And here you have some 3M stickers as well as, so this is the holder, like this will fit into your helmet to hold the intercom system. So let me just switch it on and see. So if you want to switch on the device, then you will have to press both this function key as well as this key. So this started. So that was the unboxing of Vimoto V8. In the next video, I'll be telling you how to install the intercom system inside the helmet. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hope you liked the video. This is Sandeep Tukoji signing off. Thank you so much.